I have never ever seen a ground tent version of the Kodiak canvas. This is a converted U-Haul. I was. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing some camping, some leisurely camping at Telephone Cove right now. We've never been here before, but there's a lot of people out here, and we're out with a group from Facebook called the Wanderlust 2.0 group. There's a bunch of us out here, and we're getting set up. Pretty nice day out today. 79 degrees right now, but we're gonna get set up and go lounge by the water pretty much. Here's camp for the night, guys. It is super windy out right now. This is one of the first times we've ever been to a public campground area in Vegas. And this is probably the most people we've ever camped with in our lives. Minus Kenai, because Kenai dip netting as well. We're with some good people. We're hanging out. We're enjoying ourselves. We're chilling. Rio, as usual, every time we leave, she gets herself screwed up somehow. So she swallowed something and was essentially choking for about 20 minutes. She finally spit it all up, and we gave her a Benadryl because we think she swallowed some ants. So her throat's a little sore, but you know, we gave her some Benadryl. She's chilling. She's panting because it's hot. It's not that hot. It's 72 degrees outside. But 79 degrees out. But we're just chilling in the shade, hanging out. Rio's got water. Don't be fooled. She's fine. No, we're not in trouble. So I did a review back in the day of the Kodiak canvas on the truck bed tent type Kodiak canvases, and this is actually a ground tent version, which I have never ever seen a ground tent version of the Kodiak canvas. This thing is a bedroom for sure. Really good, solid design. I've actually never seen a tent with so much elasticity on the sides. Not bad though. Alright, so this is like essentially a whole bedroom. This is a 14 by 10. I think it's sitting up on a cot. Looks like a full-size cot up in here. It's got a little power station, a little decor. Really awesome setup. I'm digging these rugs. We might need to get some rugs for the truck bed, or the rooftop tent. But yeah, that's cool. It's got some organization up in there, some pouches. What looks like maybe what you can hold bedding on and stuff. 4 doors, and this is definitely like at least, I'd say 6 foot, a little over 6 foot. Really cool setup. This is awesome. This same material is, I recognize this material from the Kodiak canvas that we've reviewed in the past. Really solid quality. Holy crap. This is essentially, this is bolted down to the damn ground. That's crazy. Awesome. All right, guys, so we're doing a little rig walk around. This is Gustavo's rig. This is a converted U-Haul, and they converted it into a camper. This is cool. I've actually never seen a conversion up close and personal. And this is the Wanderlust 2.0 group. So thank you, Jenna, for arranging this whole trip. Lots of cool people out here, making some new friends. So it's always good. We love meeting new people who love going out and doing this type of thing. So we got permission from Alan to walk around. So let's take a look at this setup. All right, so definitely a full 6 foot in here. Got some drawers. Oh yeah, and they actually put a hole into the U-Haul to actually get into the cab area, which is awesome. Full size bed. Oh my gosh, he's even got a TV in here. Awesome. Looks like you got some power generator, little portable toilet, the Blue Moon, yes. Little fridge. Sweet. Max Air fan, I think, is what it looks like. I'm not sure if the back opens up, but cool setup. You can stand up fully in here too. I think this has got to be 4-wheel drive, I think. We'll ask them. Yeah, cool setup. They got some, they got solar. Gustavo was saying that they got solar up there and some LED lights up at the top. Just for kicks, let's go see what's up here. All right, so we're on the top of this van now, and he's got a little porch up here. Put some chairs down and not fall off. This is where we're at tonight. Sorry for the wind noise if there is any. Say hi, guys. The whole group over there. Awesome. Right on the water. There are a ton of people out here though, so there are pit toilets, and that's about the only services you get. But yeah, so Gustavo has the Max Air fan and the solar panels up top, and a little rooftop area, which is sweet. Alright guys, so we are making some skillet tonight. Oh yeah. Just gotta put some cheese on it and we're ready.
Thanks, Dad.
Woo! Morning, everyone. It is about 7:30 in the morning. Super windy out last night though. Camp for the night. Got the solar out so we can top off the Goal Zero. One thing about this tent that I really don't like, especially when it's windy, is there is a lot of wind noise that happens with these little rain shield flaps. It might be a little better when they're not on, but right now with this wind, it is pretty noisy in there. Luckily nothing blew away though. So I like to bring the solar panel whenever we're parked for a long time. That way I can, keep the battery a little bit topped off whenever we're sitting still. I knew we were coming out here and just hanging out for the day, so that's why I brought it. And it definitely helped, keep the Goal Zero topped off yesterday as the fridge was running and it was pretty hot. It's nice, but I don't like how big it is and how bulky it is. I've seen those panels where they kind of fold up and become a little thinner. So there's that wind. I only bring this on special occasions whenever I know I'm going to be sitting outside for a long time. That way it keeps the Goal Zero powered on for longer. Alright guys, we are packed up and ready to roll. Had a great time out here, a lot of fun. This area is definitely different from what we're used to camping, just because it's just a lot more people out here, and it's cool though. It was chill, but off the water spot. It was definitely really windy this morning, but otherwise a really cool little location. Super easy for a lot of big rigs, all sorts of different types of rigs out here to park. So if you're into that, check this place out. There are also toilets and a couple walking trails around. We're gonna go hit the road and get going. Alright guys, well that concludes the video. We are home now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like, seeing those types of unique rig walkarounds, camping setups, definitely let me know in the comments. I mean, what do you like better? Do you like the ground tent setup that you saw, or kind of that van U-Haul conversion? Both of which were really cool. So thank you to Alan and Gustavo for letting us tour those today. Also thank you to Jenna for inviting us out, and everyone else that we met today. It was a lot of fun. So hopefully we can go out again with that group. If you guys are new here, my name is Caden, and I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, adventure videos like this one. So definitely check out the channel if you guys are into that. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.